Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a rollback or a revert changes in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now you will be needing to go to repository and for example, let's just go for any repositories. Let's just go to all our repositories and I'm just going to click on this one and let's suppose that we want to revert these changes, and here we will find my commits, and let's suppose that I want to repeat these changes. And to do it in GitHub you will be needing to have GitHub desktop. So from here we will find these changes. As you can see, they've been done only 4 minutes ago. As you can see, it's only 4 minutes ago, and basically you will be able to do this in two ways. Either you can revert changes from your local repository and then push the changes to your remote, or you can simply go to your remote using desktop or using the GitHub desktop, and basically we'll be needing to click on file and add local repository, and from here you will be needing just to choose the repository that is uh, linked or that is has your remote as origin. And from here I'm just going to right click. As you can see, you will find these reverse changes in comments. So I'm just going to click on this one, and of course those are some conflicts, so let's just revert changes to this one, and because those are unmerged file, and basically let's commit the latest changes that I have, and let's just commit to main, and let's just commit files, and from here I have updated my main, and simply we can go now and visit to commit or revert changes, and of course you will be needing to start creating or just solving the changes. For example, I can just choose whatever I like. I want to have only this line or whatever. I will commit to main and commit file, and basically now you will have your changes reversed. So that means you will be needing just to remove whatever you like, and basically then you can start pushing these commits, so you can just emit them or do whatever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.